Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys what to do when ChatGPT says your user already exists at Signup. If ChatGPT says your email already exists, it means the account is already created, possibly without you remembering. First of all, you're going to go ahead and click on login, not sign up. Then try logging in using Google, Apple or Microsoft with the same email. Then put in your Face ID and there you go, you will be logged in. If unsure, then tap forgot password and then you will have to enter your email and then a code will show up there, and then put in the code and you will be logged into your account. Then remove autofill emails and type manually to avoid errors. Tip: if you've used Apple, hide my email, check your hidden email list, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.